Hey, how's everybody doing out there? Just gonna do this quick hobby pack opening. Might do a box or two, but we'll see how everything goes here. My first time trying this out, recording, shall I say. Been busting packs open for a while and boxes for a while, but I'm gonna try to do this recording thing, see if we can get some good stuff on cam here. Alright, it's just gonna be random packs right now, just a bunch of hobby, expensive, but I mean, if you can't win if you don't play, right? Alright, here we go. Start off with this new Bowman Baseballs 2021. So everything's hobby, there's no retail here. I don't do the retail. Let's see what we got here. Rookie bets. What this veteran stuff is about. Alice Bregman. Jose Abreu. I don't know if these have what your costs or not, variations or not, but we'll see. Tatis. Andre Jimenez. Jose Tena, first Bowman. I don't know none of these guys yet, man. It might be somebody down the road. Nick Maton, first Bowman. Micah Bell, first Bowman paper. And Spencer Torkelson. Anthony Volt. I don't know these guys. Okay. Pack number 2. Nate Pearson. Paper. Xander. Goldschmidt. Josh Bell. We got here. Julio. Kalanick. Darren. However you say that. Should be a pretty card once Rodriguez gets caught up. Ed Howard, prospect. Riley Green, prospect. Colton Welker, prospect. Paper. Aaron Sabato, first Bowman paper. And Jose Salas, first Bowman paper. Pack number 3. Joe Dell, rookie. Key Ryan, rookie. Spencer Howard, rookie. Ketel Marte. C.J. Abrams. Nice. Top 100. Emerson. Pope again. None of these guys are first ballers. So no prospect paper. Alright, that's the end of Bowman. Alright, let's do Prizm Hobby. That's looking like Rizzo. Jonathan Stever, rookie. Jonathan India, rookie. Jesus Luzardo, Nate Pearson, Dylan Carlson, A-Rod, Whit Merrifield, Fairless, Steve Aquino. What's that? Josh Bell, X Factor, Fearless, Stalin Marte, Tier 2, not numbered, Orange, and Nolan Jones. Okay. Pack number 2, Prizm. Bijou. Stiver again. Stiver, India. It's like a repeat pack right here, right? India. Luzardo. Kyle Lewis. Soroka. Mountcastle, not bad. Oh, centered. Very bad. Nelson. Derek Hill. This looks like a fucking, excuse my language. That looks like the lava flow. Jeez. On camera? Joe Adele? Lava? Y'all getting this? Do I even want to record anymore? It's my first time ever recording on camera, y'all. I didn't hit so many crazy hits off camera. That's my first time recording ever. 5 packs in. I think I had a damn case hit. I think this is lava. I don't know what. But I'm sorry, folks. I'm not going to be recording no more. It's like, nah, I'm going to record a couple more packs. This is nuts. And it's color matching with my background. My favorite color is red. That's dope. Hold on, let me get this sleeved up here. Give me a second. Wow. I got so much more stuff to open, but I don't even know if I even want to open up no more stuff. I promised myself if I get something crazy, I wasn't going to open up nothing else. Y'all might have to wait for a little bit. Stay tuned to the channel. This is crazy, bro. Oh boy. There you go. You know he's going straight, yo. That's crazy, yo. Appreciate it. Panini. Alright, where are we at here? That's right. Freaking Kalanick color, which is very bad off center. I mean, that's just Panini. I wish that was Prizm. That's even off. These guys, man, I swear. I mean, QC. You're sitting there eating sandwiches, probably. He ain't even doing his job. Whatever. Alright, folks. I didn't even open. No. Give me a second. We got some more select packs open. We can open up them, I guess. That's bad. That's very bad. Oh boy. It just chaps. Chaps my ass. All this money we spending. I can see if I was taking pennies and I'll take dollars. I'll put that debit card on there. So, you know what I mean? You get your money's worth. I'm not getting my money's worth, though. Alright, let's open up these damn select packs. And I'm out of here after that. I got 5 hobby select. As usual. That hobby, that lava flow is fire. Ultra rare. It's crazy. I mean, that's what the box say, don't it? Box say, I got another whole box. I ain't opened up yet. Look for the ultra rare lava flow. I'm about to pull one. Alright, let's go. Barrios, there, man. Garcia rookie. These damn cards are off center. Horrible. You Darvish silver 25 man. I don't know what the hell that means. Damn, this should have been silver. That'd have been dope. Prizm. Okay. Trout. Anything Trout is fire though. Look at that line. Look at that print line. Panini. Hobby. This ain't retail packs. It's hobby packs. Jesus. It's just sick, man. Whatever. I got a gang of basketball hobby packs open. I don't even. Panini got me sick right now. I don't even want to look at them. Glaber, I'm sorry people, I'm getting all stupid here. Mike Yastrzemski. The young, oh, what is this? Andy Young. What's happening here? These are all packs, man. This ain't a box yet. These are all just packs. Whoever that is. Andy Young. 290. 2 out of 299. That's not bad, I guess. Alright. Blake Snell. Whatever those inserts are. Matt Chapman. Say that rookie back over there. Catching all this on camera today. That's crazy. Oh, that's a fake me out card in there. It's a bullshit. Tanner Houck. See you, buddy. Alright. Josh Bell. Pete Alonso. Carolina Blue. Oh, she number 2. Oh, 3 out of 35. Petey. Yeah. That's that bullshit. Garcia Silver. Look how off-centered that is. So bad. Kohei Arihara. Oh. Canini. The crazy thing about it too is that when you go to send these cards back, there is a thing you can check off for off-center. I don't know why, because they don't honor it. That's why I even put it on there. Christian Pesh. Aaron Nola. I don't know what the hell this says. Right. Johan Oviedo. Another bullshit card. Oh, Johan's out of 99. Bullshit. Javi Silver. Whoever that guy is. Yeah. Alright, folks. I'm gonna ease up here for a second. I will return with basketball hobby packs opening. Thank you for watching.